Hey, Adam Malin of Creation Entertainment, why don't you come on stage too? Kim, Ruth, and Adam, paging Kim, Ruth, and Adam. You wanted on the stage. This is awkward because there's actually quite a walk from the backstage to the front of the stage, and they're knee deep in a bottle of whiskey right now. You got one. Hey, Adam made it. Hey, Adam. Uh-oh, what's up? Huh, interesting. That's not what I had, but I mean, let's do it. Okay. Well, there was a set list snafu. Right. You used to say bye-bye and you'll come back. Right. It was my fault. I have the different order on here. So you know what, ladies and gentlemen? Change your plans. Ruth, we're going to get to you in a second. Keep your hands together for Miss Stephanie Dizon. This is what I was talking about earlier. Let's see it. Yeah. Oh, there you are. Sure. And then they do the, oh, wow, where does that go? Oh, I never changed it on this. That's good. You know, this is my favorite thing about a Loud and Swain show. At any time, the wheels can fall off. But then we'll get you right back because we're going to rock the shit out of this next song. That's right. That's what I was telling you about earlier. We're blessed to have Stephanie sing with us. This is called Crooked Wheel. Goes like this. Tattoo of melody. I got the lyrics done in custody. I did some wrong, but now that's gone. Inside my mental penitentiary. I am looking for a way to make you mine. I'm gonna take the wheel. When you got me, I know what's been. There's not a battle that I haven't fought. I don't know what you took me for, but I'm never going back. Don't let your preconceptions throw you off. I'm looking for a plan. Ways to rock my band. Turn up the radio, radio. Looking for a deal. I come out back on the window. You see my conscience right at the hell. I'm looking for a lady, and a place to lock my brain. Turn up the radio, radio. Looking for a deal. To the better, to the better. Take my crooked, take my crooked wheel. Lightning and I disappear.